Are you buying a new PC? Hold on. Before you dive into processor series like Intel Core i5 or i7, let's rethink your choice. Many users choose the highest number they can afford without consideration. While Intel's Core i9 and i7 excel in gaming, Core i5 and i3 offer a budget-friendly solution for regular tasks. It's common for users to prefer Core i7 without checking specific details such as generation and clock speed. The generation of the processor matters. So, how can you identify the generation from its name? Simply, check the model number. For example, Intel Core i5-11600OK and Intel Core i5-8600OK illustrate this perfectly. The first digit indicates the generation. In the first processor, 11 signifies 11th generation. In the second, 8 indicates 8th generation. The rule is simple. The higher the generation number, the better the processor. Instead of choosing a Core i5-8700OK, opt for a Core i3-10600X, as it's a more advanced 10th gen processor. With these insights, you are better equipped to make a smart decision when buying your next PC. Want more tech tips? Subscribe to our blog. Join our Telegram channel for real-time updates on tech advice. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. When considering your new PC, it's crucial to prioritize your needs over brand loyalty or the latest models. Think about what you primarily use your computer for: casual browsing, heavy multitasking, or perhaps gaming. Before making a decision, remember that features like clock speed and the number of cores also play a vital role. For instance, a Core i5 processor may often outperform an older Core i7 in certain tasks if it has higher clock speeds and more cores. Searching for user reviews or benchmarks can provide valuable insights into real-world performance. When you're weighing the options between these processors, consider your long-term requirements as well. If you anticipate future needs, investing in a higher generation processor today can save you from needing an upgrade sooner than expected. Additionally, newer processors typically come with advancements in technology, ensuring better efficiency, lower power consumption, and improved integrated graphics which can enhance overall performance. While the immediate cost may seem higher, the benefits of longevity and capabilities can make it a worthwhile investment in the long run. When evaluating your investment, remember that future-proofing your PC can lead to more significant savings over time. Focusing on the processor's generation allows you to leverage upgrades in performance and efficiency. Ultimately, selecting the right processor means understanding how each component performs in real-life scenarios rather than relying solely on marketing terms. By taking the time to research and compare, you can find a processor that not only meets your current needs but surpasses them, allowing for seamless usage as technology evolves. Your next PC should be a smart choice, setting you up for success in the long run. Ultimately, making an informed choice about your processor will lead to a PC that meets your performance needs and adapts to future demands, ensuring a satisfactory computing experience for years to come. Thank you for joining us, and happy computing!